Sherry, and it's Saturday, so I thought I'd pop in here and do a quick outfit of the day. And what I'm wearing, just going out to dinner with my hubby. And I'm having issues with my computer. I'm using my iPad, and hopefully I can get this uploaded today. If not, hopefully by the middle of next week I can do this. So I know you haven't seen me in a while, and I've been in Vegas and on my hubby's work thing. And anyway, I'm just going to do a quick outfit of the day. And on my face today, on my eyes today, in my crease, I'm wearing Mystery by MAC. And then my brow bone and eyelids is a, I believe it's called Brulee by MAC. And then soft brown just on the middle lid area. And then I'm wearing this bronzer called Nude on Board, and it's also by MAC. And really like it. Doesn't have a lot of shimmer to it, and I really like the color of the bronzer. It's more natural looking. I'm really enjoying it. I think it's an oldie. And then on my lips today, it's just a butter gloss by NYX called Peaches and Cream. And on my cheeks today, it's a MAC blush, but the name is so worn off it, but it's like a coral peach color. So, and that's it. Oh, and on my nails today, it's just oily white tips, it's called. It's just a white polish, and I think I have to do it again. It takes about 3 coats to get it to the way I like it. And that's it for makeup. And I just I didn't straighten my hair actually. I just let it air dry, and this is kind of it. And then I just teased it with a pick, and not sure if I'm loving it, but I was feeling kind of lazy today. And then my outfit, or my jewelry, this is just a J. Crew necklace I got last year, and I think it's a little frog. And then just my bracelets that I got as a gift for my birthday this year. My everyday rings, no watch, and I think that's it. Oh, and just wearing my gold hoop earrings I got from QVC. I never usually wear earrings. I haven't been wearing them lately, but I just thought that kind of looked cute with the straight hair. You can see them more, I think. And now the most exciting part of this whole outfit is my new sweater coat that I'm wearing that I got from Forever 21. I can't believe what I paid for this. It was 40% off. I think it was like $47 with 40% off, so it was just under $30 I paid. And I absolutely love it, and it's probably more of a sweater, but you can definitely wear it as a coat. And underneath that, I'm just wearing a tank top. It's Elizabeth and James Neon tank top I got at Nordstrom's last year. And then I'm just wearing my American Eagle stretchy skinny jeans and my Valentino leopard shoes. And I think, oh, and you haven't seen this guy in a while, so he made a little appearance today. My classic Chanel in caviar leather in beige. And I think that is it. So I hope you guys are all having a great day and having a great Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.